Jayden boy, the weather so hot. What are you going to prepare today? ร้อนก็เรื่องชา Okay, let's introduce the ingredient. Oh yes. But before we try one, what is this called in Mandarin? Don't know. It's called 冬瓜糖. Yes. This is 罗汉果. It's Cantonese. Then Chinese Mandarin is called 罗汉果. Yeah. Nice or not? Yeah. Okay. Let's crack the 罗汉果. Other. Yes, other. You can do it. One more time. You want to do it together? Shall we do it together? 1, 2. Yes. Okay. Don't open it. Just okay. Put into the oh. And also the winter melon. Yeah. Ooh. Yahoo!
What?
Are you done?
Yeah. Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
Done? Yeah, okay.
The hunger star, yeah, yeah, yeah. What did you want hunger star? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Jayden boy, how's your lohanko?
Nice.
Show me your winter melon, please. Is it nice to eat? Wow. Yummy.